So good day everyone, I'm Arnold C. Abalos, together with Mr. JOHNONDI Brillantes, Benjamin Ito, and JOHAIMIN LIDASAN. So our topic is about the chapter 15 and 17 of plumbing design. So first is the introduction. Plumbing fixtures are receptacles intended to receive water, liquid, or water carried waste and discharge into the drainage system. So alam that, the latest and newest sa design ng plumbing fixtures ay fit people rather than make a people fit to the fixtures. So means na we should consider the owner's wants o kung saan sila komportable. Isa pa, maraming styles and varieties ang nababagay, nakadepende sa mga personal na risk natin. And also, nakadepende din ang mga qualities na pipili natin based sa brand na nakukuhaan natin. The more na mas costly siya, is magiging worth it din dahil sa magandang quality na to. So, there are 4 water closet that you should consider. First is the design, quality, shape, and color. So, first is the design. Design with respect to design comes with the various types. So there are 7 types of design. So first is the pale flash type. So the pale flash type water closet is the cheapest, the smallest, and the simplest form of water closet without water tank. So ito yung pinakamura, and then ito yung type ng water closet na walang water tank. Next is the squat type. So it is also a type of water closet without a water tank installed flat on the floor. So wala din siyang water tank, and then ito yung type ng toilet bowl na naka-flat lang siya sa floor. Next is the washdown type. So washdown type has the following characteristics. So first is the flashes through simple washdown action. Second is discharge into trap coated at the front of bowl, more subject to clotting than other types. So bulging in shape in front. So washdown type, ito yung isang type na pwede mo siyang i-flash, pero ganito yung type na madalas bumabara dahil sa exterior design and sa manufacturer mismo. Next is the reverse type. Reverse type, and the characteristic of reverse type is flashes through siphon action created in the trap way located at the rear of the bowl, retain large amount of surface water as compared with the washdown type, round and less likely to clog, expensive than washdown. So, a reverse type, mas marami siyang surface water compared sa washdown type, and madalas ito yung mga maiingay na type ng bowl. Next is the siphon jet. So the characteristic ng siphon jet is it is costlier than washdown and reverse trap type. Water closet retain larger amount of standing waste that mostly covered in the bowl interior. It has a larger trapway, make less clogging and silent than other types. It is very sanitary and easier to clean. So a siphon jet, mas costly siya compared to the other type, especially sa washdown and reverse type, pero mas efficient naman ang kanyang performance and tahimik siyang gamitin. Next is the siphon vertex. The characteristic of siphon vertex are expensive type of closet bowl because of less noise and efficient in its performance. So flashing action is through whirlpool motion of water inside the bowl. Next is the very sanitary and easy to clean considering the large amount of water. So siphon vertex, expensive siya but more efficient in performance and less in noise, and it's easy to clean considering na mas maraming water amount sa loob. And the last is the direct flush valve type. So this type of water closet is sometimes referred as DFV or direct flush valve. This commonly installed in places where water supply is sufficient. So direct flush valve commonly installed siya sa mga lugar na matataas ang pressure ng tubig na karaniwan natin nakikita sa mga hospital. Next is, ito yung mga we need to consider yung quality na meron yung yung quality na gagamitin natin. So, first is flush down quietly, flush down the liquid and waste completely. Third is must function efficiently. Fourth is must retain large amount of water surface. So, ito yung i-consider natin na quality. Next is a shape naman. There are two types of shapes. Those are the first is the round type. Ganito yung itsura ng round type. And then yung second one is the elongated type. So next is the color. So any various types of pastel and bright colors, or the designer and the owner has the freedom of choice to choose. So nakadepende na yung color na gagamitin mo sa designer or nasa sa inyo na mismo. Nakadepende na sa inyo. Next is the lavatories. The lavatories are bowl used when washing your face and hands. So, ito yung mga pagpasok natin sa CR. Ito yung mga hinugasan natin ng mga kamay ng mga mukha. And then, marami rin siyang type. For example, is the rounded type, square, oval, or the rectangle type.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am SULTAN on the Brillantes. This is my report. Number one is bathtub. So, a bathtub, also known simply as a bath or a tub. It is a container for holding a water in which a personal or animal may bath. Most modern bathtubs are made of thermoform acrylic, Porcelain, enamel, steel or cast iron or fiberglass, reinforced polyester. A bathtub is placed in a bathroom either as a stand-alone fixture or in a conjunction with a shower. So, ang bathtub ay isa siyang container na kung saan ginagamit natin ito siya para lagyan ng tubig at upang doon tayo makapaligo. So, we have different types of bathtub. So, number one is alcove bathtub. It is planned on two sides by walls which allow manufacturers to use spirited tubs, dirted tubs, sometimes called apron tubs. Will have a decorative front of three sides that open to the wall. Number two is freestanding tubs. These are not connected to a wall on any side. So, ang alcove ay nakadikit siya sa wall. So, ang freestanding tubs are not connected sa wall. Walk-in tub is designed with a door that swings open while the beach is empty. This allows for easy access, making them a favorite for accessibility-minded homeowners. Drop-in tub. Installed much like a drop-in sink. So, para lang siyang sink. Next one is undermount tub. It is similar to a drop-in tub but is mounted to underside of a supporting enclosure rather than a lead on top. Next one is corner tub. It's designed to stack into the corner or a bathroom while it always has a corner. Corner tubs come in a range of layouts. Soaking tubs are designed to hold more water alone or for long, luxurious baths that give the sensation of floating in a pool. Whirlpool tub, a pump pressured water through that creating a relaxing massage or swirling the water. So next topic is bidet. Bidet is a ball of the receptacle designed to be a stop upon in one order to wash our anus and etc. The modern variety has a plant in a water supply and drainage opening, and those plants feature subject to local hygienization. So every day ay ginagamit natin upang linisin natin ang ating mga maruming bahagi ng katawan or mga private parts. So ginagamit natin ito para hindi natin ma-contact yung maruming bagay natin, maruming parte ng katawan natin, just to para linisin yung maruming bagay na yan. So we have different types of bidet which are freestanding bidet. This is a traditional type of bidet. So as you can see, this is the freestanding bidet. Freestanding bidet are placed next to the regular toilet and they look like a large slow sink. So para lang siya malaking sink. The next one is Handheld bidet. A handheld bidet is also called a bidet shower or bidet sprayer. This nozzle that stay attached to the toilet. So, ang handheld bidet ay isa siyang sa bidet na kung saan ay nakadikit lang ito sa tabi ng bowl natin at para siyang hose na malakas ang pressure water. So kadalasan ito ang nakikita natin dito sa Pilipinas, itong handheld bidet. At, at ito ang commonly ginagamit natin. Next one is built-in bidet. A built-in bidet is a toilet equipped with a bidet feature. After flushing a toilet with a built-in bidet, the toilet may automatically dispense a vertical spread of water to utensils. So itong built-in bidet is kapag tapos ka na gumamit ng bowl ay automatic niyang linisin ang iyong bahaging parte ng katawan or automatic siyang gagalaw para sa'yo hindi mo na at wala ka nang kailangan gawin. So, next topic is urinal. Urinal is a sanitary plumbing fixture for urination only. Urinals often provided in the public toilet for male users in Western countries or in Western countries. They are usually used in standing position. Urinals can be with a manual flushing, automatic flushing, or without flushing. This is the case for waterless urinal. So, ang urinal ay kadalasan ay ginagamit ito ng mga lalaki upang doon mag-ihi upang doon mag-ihi. Ang urinal ay may also apply to a small building or other structure containing such fixtures. It can also refer to small container which urine can be collected for medical analysis or for use where access to toilet facilities is not possible. So yun, ang urinal ay isa siyang plumbing fixture para sa lalaki kung saan dito tayo umiihi. So we have different types of urinal. Number one is true urinal. Ang true urinal is look like animal feathers. Para siyang pagkain ng mga hayop dahil straight lang siya. As you can see in the picture naman. The very reason they have this name, mainly used for commercial washroom, they are a great economical choice when saving on your public cost of space. Yeah. So yun, yung less space siya and mas tipid siya sa tubig. Number two is corner urinal. Corner urinal are also known as flat back urinal designed to fit in the corner of the wall. So ang corner urinal is doon siya nakadikit sa corner ng isang wall. So next one is waterless urinal. Waterless or spin flush urinals are mainly made urinals designed for saving water. So yun, mas tipid siya sa tubig. Stall urinal. A stall urinal is supported by either the range or the floor. So, ang waterless urinal is nakadikit siya sa wall, pero hindi sa corner wall, which is the wall lang. Ang stall urinal naman ay hindi siya nakadikit. Although nakadikit siya, pero mahaba siya at yung ilalim niya, yung bottom niya is kumbaga hindi siya nakalutang. Next one is sensor urinal. You will often see this kind of urinal in busy areas like shopping centers and airports for a good reason. So, ang sensor urinal ay madalas natin nakikita sa mga shopping malls or airports. Kaya siya sensor kasi para hindi natin mahawakan yung, kumaga, for instance, i-flush natin, hindi natin kailangan hawakan for the hygienic purposes. So, next one is bucket urinal. This is the oldest urinal that has been in use for ages. There are some places where you will get a real bucket as a urinal. So this is ito yung old way ng urinal dati. The next one is squatting. Squatting urinal is so short that it's nearly a part of the floor. It mounts on mainly for women. It's designed to evade urination flushing in a complete squat position. So ang squatting urinal is so short. So, ang squatting urinal is para lang siya sa mga babae. para lang sa mga para sa kung saan sila pwede umihi. Next one is against the wall. Against the wall is a slab drain that has a drain located at the foot level or the underneath foot level. The user has to guide their stream against the backing surface, and gravity guides the streams to the floor where the drain gathers them. So yun. And next one is, so that's our topic for today, and this is the continuation report of Arnold Abalos, and this is chapter 15. That's all. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. I am JoHaimin LIDASAN. I am going to discuss to you about plumbing installation and materials. So, we all know what is plumbing. When we say plumbing is, yan na yung mga tubo-tubo sa ating bahay, which is pwede siyang input and output. When we say output, yan na yung ating mga waste galing sa loob ng bahay palabas sa drainage pipe papuntang kanal na, or kung sa bowl pa is yan yung ating mga waste, soil waste papunta sa septic tank. So when we say input naman is yan na yung papasok sa ating bahay na malilinis na tubig. So okay, that is plumbing. So ang topic na i-explain ko is about plumbing installation and materials. So dito is madi-discuss dito yung mga kinakailangang materials sa isang room na napapaloob sa isang bahay, for example CR. So dito natin malalaman yung mga materials na ating kakailanganin para mabuo yung ating CR, which is kailangan ng proper na installation ng ating mga pipe. Okay. So una is installation of single unit toilet and bath. So ito nga, single unit toilet and bath. So when we say single unit toilet and bath, ito yung karaniwang CR na nakikita natin sa mga residential houses. Meron itong isang bowl and isang shower para doon tayo magligo. Okay. So sa single unit toilet and bath is hindi yan basta-basta maglalagay ka lang ng pipe palabas sa bahay and pipe naman papasok sa CR na yun. So when we say palabas is yan yung mga waste, and when we say papasok, yan na yung papasok sa CR na malilinis sa laboratory or dun sa sa mga faucet. So kailangan natin ng proper installation ng mga pipe doon sa CR na yun para mabuo yung ating single unit toilet and bath. So ang una is, as we can see is ito yung ating transparent. Nakikita natin yung mga uri ng tubo dito, palabas at okay, ito yung palabas lang. So materials for house drain. So when we say house drain is kumbaga doon sa CR na yun is ito yung sa baba, kumbaga papasok ay palabas doon sa CR papunta sa drainage pipe. Example nito is yung floor drain. Okay. So ang una natin kailangan is yung isang pirasong 75 mm long sweep elbow. So as alam naman natin anong elbow. Ito yung nagko-connecta ng horizontal at vertical na pipe. And dapat is hindi siya direct 90 degrees kasi pwedeng ma-stuck yung mga dumi doon. So syempre ito yung pantakip doon sa clean out cover. So ano ang clean out? So sa isang drainage pipe kasi is meron siyang naka-incline dyan na tubo para in case na magbara is doon lilinisin para mas madali. So ito yung kanyang cover. Okay? Next is 75 mm by 50 mm reducer na T. When we say T is ito yung nagko-connect din ng vertical and horizontal na pipe. Sunod is 75 mm by 50 mm T. Okay? 2 pieces na 75 mm wide, 75 mm P trap floor drain. Okay. So ano ang P trap floor drain? So ang purpose nito is kumbaga sa floor drain is 'di ba minsan is may mga buhok-buhok diyan nalalagay. So dito natatrap yung shaft para hindi magsama doon sa pipe papuntang drainage at para mas mabilis na lang linisin at kunin yung mga dumi doon, which is yung dumi is natatrap dito, so kaya siya tinatawag na P-trap floor drain. Next is 100 mm floor drain strainer. So ito na yung ating mga strainer sa floor drain. Okay. Next is 75 mm long sweep elbow to receive WC waste. Next is 75 mm by 3 meters PVC pipe. Okay, so yun na yung mga nabanggit is yun na yung kailangan natin sa drain. Kumbaga, yung drain part lang nung ating comfort room. So, B is materials for waste and vent pipe. So, ang mga kakailanganin nating materials for waste and vent pipe is una is dalawang pirasong 50 mm by 50 mm T, 50 mm 1/4 bend elbow, and dalawang pirasong 500 mm by 3 meters PVC pipe. Okay, yun. So, sa materials for water supply naman is 2 pieces 12 mm 1/2 by 3 meters PVC pipe, 12 mm plain T, 12 mm plain elbow, and tatlong pirasong 12 mm elbow with 1 threaded. Okay, so 12 mm T cross side with a thread for faucet. So 12 mm shower valve control, 12 mm shower head. Okay, syempre kailangan talaga natin to para sa shower. So, dalawang roll Teflon tape. So, ito, sa mga hindi nakakalam, ang Teflon tape is yan yung nilalagay sa mga connection para hindi sumingaw yung tubig or hindi mag leakage. Ito, pin solvent cement is yan na yung nilalagay sa mga connection para mas matibay at hindi basta-basta lalabas yung tubig. For example, sa pag-i-connect natin ng horizontal and vertical gamit ang elbow, is ito yung ginagamit natin para dumikit sila at hindi basta-basta mag-leakage yung tubig. D is fixtures and accessories. So, alam naman natin anong fixtures. Nagkamali ako. Ito is dapat X and accessories. Fixtures and accessories. So, isang set ng water closet with fittings and accessories. Isang set ng control valve with flexible supply hose. Isang set ng lavatory with P-trap, hanger, and faucet. So, ito, sa isang lavatory, kailangan meron ding P-trap. So, when we say P-trap, meron ba dito? Sa P-trap sa lavatory is, ito yung parang paliko siya na ganito sa baba. Ang purpose nito is para maiwan yung mga hazardous na gases or mga poisonous na gases para hindi siya lalabas doon sa drainage. Okay? At madali na lang siyang linisin. So, yun yung purpose ng P-trap sa lavatory or lababo. So, okay, soap holder na dalawa and 2 pieces face towel bar, dalawang pirasong towel bar, isang small medicine cabinet with mirror. Okay, so sunod is installation of single unit toilet with bathtub. So yung kanina is single unit toilet with bath. Ito naman is single unit toilet with bathtub. Meron siyang bathtub. So ang kakailangan nating material is una, so para sa house drain, okay, ito 1 piece 75 mm 1 and 1/8 bend elbow with clean out cover, 2 pieces 75 mm and 50 mm T for lavatory. So yan na siya, marami. So para naman sa materials for waste pipe and ventilation, ang kailangan nating materials is ito. Materials for water supply is, or yung input papasok sa CR is ito siya. So ginuha ko lang din ito doon sa PDF. Next, pictures and other accessories. Installation of back-to-back single unit toilet. So ito iba naman, back-to-back, kumbaga dalawang CR. So ito, as we can see, dalawang tawag dito, bowl, and dalawang lavatory at dalawang floor drain. So ito yung ating mga kailangan nating materials. Okay. So that is for my presentation. Thank you.
Good day everyone, this is in continuation of the report of Mr. JOHAIMIN LIDASAN, Plumbing Installation and Materials, Chapter 17. So first of all, I am Benjamin Amito, reporter number 4. 17.5 two-story single unit toilet and bath. Illustration 17.5 presented in figure 17.4 is an example of plumbing installation for multi-door two-story type building with up-feed water supply system. Prepare the bill of materials. So, this is the figure 17.4 two-story single unit toilet and bath. Kung saan pinapakita dito, in this figure, pinapakita dito kung paano mag-install ng plumbing system sa isang building na kung saan merong multiple doors and 2 levels. So, the system uses the water supply system that goes up rather than down. Next, materials for house drain. So, these are the necessary materials, yung mga kakailanganing materials para makakreate ng drainage system for a house. It includes different sizes of PVC pipes and fittings such as elbows, reducers, and a P-trap. The 100mm sweep bend elbow is used for cleanout purposes, while the cleanout cover provides access to the cleanout. So, the Y reducers are used to connect the pipes in different directions, and the T and elbow fittings are used to change the direction of the pipes. So, lastly, the 75mm P-trap is installed in the drain to prevent sewer gas from entering the house. So overall, these materials are essential in the plumbing system to ensure proper draining of water and waste. Next, materials for soil stack and soil branch. So these are the necessary materials needed for constructing a soil stack and soil branch in a plumbing system. So they include several fittings such as elbows and T's, as well as PVC pipes of varying lengths and diameters. These materials are used to ensure proper drainage and waste removal within the plumbing system. The specific quantities and sizes of each materials will vary depending on the specific plumbing layout and needs. Next, materials for waste and vent pipe. So the list below describes the materials needed for a waste and vent pipe system. It includes several different types of fittings such as elbows and T's, as well as a trap which is used to prevent gases from escaping through the pipe. So additionally, 4 lengths of 50mm PVC pipe, each 3 meters long, are required. These materials will be used to create a functioning system for safety and efficiency disposing of waste and venting gases in a plumbing system. Next is materials for water supply. So the materials listed below are used for setting up a water supply system. The primary component is the PVE or polyvinyl ethylene pipe, which is 12mm in diameter and 3 meters long. The other components include various fittings such as plain T's, elbows, and T's with threaded ends. These fittings are used to connect and direct water flow through the PVE type. In addition, a pint of solvent cement is included, which is used to join the pipe and fittings together. So overall, these materials are essential in creating a functional and efficient water supply system. Next, fixtures and accessories. So these are the fixtures and accessories that are included in a building or construction project. They include 2 sets of water closets or toilets with all necessary accessories and fittings, and 2 sets of lavatories or sinks with faucets and P-traps, 2 sets of shower valves and shower heads, and 2 12mm faucets, 4 soap holders, 2 paper holders, 4 towel bars, and 4 face towel bars. Additionally, there are control valves and flexible supply hoses included for each set of fixtures. So these items are essential for the proper functioning and convenience of a bathroom or restroom in a building. Next, 17.6 two-story back-to-back toilet. Illustration 17.5 presented in figure 17.5 is an example of a plumbing installation serving a back-to-back toilet and bath on the first and second floor. List down the materials required. So this is the figure 17.5, which is two-story back-to-back toilet and bath. So, in this figure, pinapakita dito ang plumbing installation for a toilet and bath on 2 floors of a building. The toilet and bath are located back to back, meaning they share a common wall. The installation includes pipes, fixtures, and other equipment necessary for the proper functioning of the toilet and bath. This figure provides a clear visual representation of how the plumbing system is set up to ensure that water flows to the fixtures and waste is efficiently removed from the building. So, materials for house drain. These are the materials needed for the drainage system of a two-story back-to-back toilet and bath. So, the list includes pipes, fittings, traps, and covers. These items are necessary to ensure that the waste and water are efficiently removed from the toilets and bath are carried away from the house. So the sizes and fittings and pipes are also important to consider to ensure proper flow and prevent blockages. The list also includes the number of elbows needed to receive waste from the toilet. So overall, these materials are crucial for a functional and effective drainage system in a house. Next, materials for soil and branches pipe. So these are the materials needed to build the plumbing system for the toilet and bath of a two-story building, specifically for the soil branches pipe. So the soil and branches pipe refers to the plumbing system that carries waste and wastewater out of the building and into the sewer or septic system. So the materials include various sizes of PVC pipes and bends, elbows, as well as tees and cleanout covers. These parts are used to create the necessary connections and angles in the plumbing system, ensuring that waste and wastewater flow smoothly and efficiently out of the building. The cross tee and reducer tee are used to connect the various pipes of different sizes in the system. So overall, these materials are crucial in creating a proper and functioning plumbing system for a building's toilet and bath. Next, materials for waste and vent pipes. So as you can see, these are the materials needed for the waste. Ito yung mga kailangan materials for the waste and vent pipes of a two-story back-to-back toilet and bath. The 50mm 1/8 bend elbow and 50mm 1/4 bend elbow. Kung saan ginagamit ito sila to turn the direction of the pipes. The 50mm times 50mm cross T is also used to connect the multiple pipes together. The 50mm socket or coupling is used also to connect pipes of the same size. The 50mm Petra floor drain is used to prevent sewer gases from entering the building, and the 100mm floor drain strainer helps to filter any debris before it goes down the drain. So itong mga materials na ito is napaka-importante for proper waste and vent plumbing to ensure the safe and efficient removal of the waste from the building. Next, materials for cold water supply pipes. So, in a story toilet in bath building, ang mga materials na kakailanganin for the cold water supply pipes include dalawang 2 PVC supply pipes that are 20 millimeter in a diameter and 3 meters long, at a reducer and socket reducer that are both 20 millimeter times 12 millimeter, a plain T that is 12 millimeter in diameter, 4 threaded T's, 10 socket, 1 and threaded pipes, and 4 elbow 1 and threaded pipes, 6 plain elbows, 4 shower heads, and 4 water faucets, and 8 control valves of flexible supply hoses, 6 rolls of Teflon tape, and 2 pins of solvent cement. So these materials are necessary for the connections and fixtures involved in the cold water supply system. Next is the fixtures. So as you can see, meron siyang 4 sets. Ito yung mga kailangang materials sa fixtures. 4 sets water closet with fixtures and accessories, 4 na sets lavatories with fittings and accessories, and 4 soap holder, 4 paper holder, 8 towel bar, and 8 face towel bar. So that's all. Thank you.